Hey, look, they've got grandma now. Well, at least they're civilized. You need anything? Is that one of those new Constructo pop? This door is ajar.
Oh, brother.
Feel the wrath of my blaster. Hey, how come you get all the cool weapons?
Oh, help! Help! Please! Please help me! My children! They're in danger!
What seems to be the problem, citizen?
Xiphoids. We were fishing up the river when they attacked.
Quark, stay here. I'll go save the children.
You got it, sidekick. Smart thinking. I'll just stay here and hold the fort.
Wow! Thanks, mister! My mom's over there!
Holy, praise Orvis.
Mom! Dad! Somebody!
Hey, Chief. You just picked up a Constructo mod. It can be used to modify your Constructo weapons.
I want to go home now. Thanks, Kitty. My mom's this way, Kitty. Halo! Oh, I was so worried about you.
Brax is still out there with the Xiphoids. Please find him.
One more moment!
Happy to be of service, ma'am.
The Xiphoids will be back soon. Come! We have to get into the village.
So, what are these things?
Mutated viruses from the Cortho sector. We haven't seen them on this planet in years. Something must have happened to the Zoni. Alpheus, open the door!
Vanessa, what are you doing out here?
The Xiphoids are back. There must be something wrong with the Timekeeper.
Not in front of the outsiders. Quickly, we must head into the village. These creatures are the least of our worries right now. One of the elders spotted Lord Vorsalon's warship over the falls.
Lord Vorsalon? What would he want with us?
That rebel must be making trouble again. We have to move everyone into the village.
How come you get all the cool weapons?
Congratulations! Your weapon is upgraded. Weapons upgrade automatically as they are used. This increases their damage and adds no modifications.
Is it awesome in here, or is it just me?